Nagpanawagan si newly elected Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano sang pag-isa sa mga kaupdanan sini nga mga senador kadungan sang iya pagpungko sa posisyon bilang bag-o nga Senate leader. Sa iyang acceptance speech matapos ang kudeta kahapon sang hapon, nag-apelar si Cayetano nga mag-updanay sila sa pagtrabaho bisan nga lain-lain man ang ilang affiliation sa politika. Nailiher si Cayetano matapos nga 13 ka mga senador ang nagboto sa iya, siyam ang nagpamatok, kag duha ang nag-abstain. Ang 13 ka mga senador nga nagboto kay Cayetano bilang bag-o nga Senate President bulos kay Senator Tito Soto, Amos Sanday, Cheese Escudero, Amy Marcos, Rodante Marcoleta, Christopher Bongo, Ronald Bato de la Rosa, Robin Hood, Robin Padilla, Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva, Pia Cayetano nga halinayanay sa majority, si Mark Villar, si Camille Villar, kag si Lauren Legarda nga halinman-anay sa majority, kag nagboto man sa iya si Tito Soto. Nag-abstain sa pagboto sunday Senators Juan Miguel Zubiri kag si JV Ejercito. Yaring kabahin sa acceptance speech ni Alan Peter Cayetano.
May mga lumabas sa news and hindi ko kayo sinisisi kung sinasabi nyo sa news na ang pagpalit ng leadership ay tungkol sa impeachment. Hindi po. The impeachment is enshrined in the Constitution. The Bible says, the truth shall set us free. We want to be free from poverty. We want to be free from corruption. We want to be free from a government that is busy fighting its own people or the people fighting each other. Hindi to Facebook, hindi to social media na pwedeng bawat minuto may nagbabanatan. In real life, in the non-digital life, we have to be here for each other. It doesn't mean anything if we are, say, we are devout Muslims or we're devout Catholics or devout evangelicals if we cannot love each other. In the Senate, we might not like each other, but I think we can work each other and we can love each other.
Ang kabahin sa speech ni Cayetano, balikan ta kabombo ang iya pagsumpa bilang bag-o nga Senate President.
Oath of office. I state your full name.
I, Alan Peter Shram Cayetano,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will uphold and support, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Ang pagpanumpa ni newly elected Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano sa atubang ni Senator Camille Villar.